Hey everybody, as you saw in my previous video, I picked up a new test vehicle, Infiniti Q50, and I said I'd ordered some parts, and upon inspection of the car once I got it home, I noticed that this little guy, this is one of the license plate lights, the bracket right here was broke where it goes up in there and clips, snapped off, and they had just double-sided taped it in there. It's no big deal. I mean, crap happens, you know what I mean? But I got to looking at replacing this housing. It was like 39 bucks from the dealer. Or I can order this replacement LED housing, which is a direct plug-in, replaces the whole assembly with this. So I ordered a set of these. This was like $18 for both of them. So we're going to install them. It's super easy and show you what they look like. Guys, it's gonna be kind of hard to show you this. This is what I'm talking about. These license plate lights. So the other one was broke. So the way to get them out is you basically just pull them down and they'll have tabs. You can slide over and then it will just pull down. So scratch that, because actually both of them were broke when I went to pull them out. They had been broke. So there's actually a tab here. You slide this that way, reach up in there and release that tab and it will come out. But then you unscrew this, pull the housing apart, then we'll pull the bulb out like this. Bulb will just pop right out. Okay, set the housing to the side, broke, so it'll go in the recycling. So then you take your LED, you plug it in like such. It's simple plug and play. Okay, now then, some LEDs are directional, like you can have this actually flip the wrong way. So what I'm going to do now to make sure it is correct, flip it on, go back here, and they're both lit up. So when it gets dark in a little bit, I will show you how this works. This is simple to put this back in here. You just push this back up in there. It goes like this. The teeth go that way. Push the wiring back up in there. You feel the teeth catch. So I finally got it in there. As you can see, I've got both of them in there. This one went in just fine, no issues. This one was giving me problems. The actual factory plug, I had to take my finger and shove it way back up in here to get it out of the way, because it was in the way. It was not letting it sit flush. And the license plate frame was actually catching. But they're both in there. They both work, as you can see. So I'll come back out here later when it's dark, show you what they look like, and I guarantee it's going to be a big improvement over those. It's dark out, so as you can see, these are the LED license plate lights I installed, and they are super bright. They were $13 shipped for both of them, left and right. As you can see, these are much brighter than the stock ones, and they've got that nice white color versus that yellowy stock halogen-y looking color. So I highly recommend these. It was easy install. Like I said, I actually needed it because both of mine were broke and they were double-sided taped in there. So get some. Meow. If I can find my key, that's why. Duh.